Hello guys, what is going on? I'm Little Hardwares and you're watching Hartic Zone. Alright, so for today's video we're going to be unboxing a mystery package from Samsung. Now I'm going to be filming on two devices, that Canon right there, and I'll be filming on this to get the close-up shots. So alright, scratch that, the Canon just died, so we're going to be filming this entire thing on the Note 9. Right, so this right here is a mystery package that I got from Samsung. It literally just showed up, alright. I don't know what it is, I don't know what's in the box. I'm going to find out. I know it's from Samsung because Samsung delivered it. I recently got the Note 9. I know there is a gift voucher going out. I don't know what's in the gift voucher. I know there is a gift voucher going on. This is probably the gift voucher that comes out with the Note 9. Don't know what's in it. We're about to find out. So, got my scissors. Got my little box. Out of the way. Alright, let's do this. Right, so we'll start by opening up the top. So we've got this little slit at the top there, it cuts off. And another thing on the side here. I'm going to do this without damaging anything inside. Okay, so there's a blue box in here. And it looks like a piece of a leaf. Blue box. Limited launch gift. It is what I thought it was. So in this box I will have a wireless charger, HDMI dongle, and a smartphone tripod. Cool. Let's open it up. So just cut down the one side, I think. Right there. Alright. Feels like the same type of cardboard that the phones were out of. No, not the phone, sorry, the phone box. Alright, so I got this little wrapper. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. Look at that, that's engraved into the box. How cool is that? Check it out. That's crazy. Galaxy Note 9. 4 Galaxy Note 9. That is awesome, it feels so premium. Any other engravings? Nope. Okay, so it's got these little things on the side of the box where you open it. Obviously you slide it out like that, right? Open it up and check how well that is packaged. Look at that. That is awesome. Let me get this focus. Look at that. That is awesome. That is beautiful. Alright, so right on top you can see there's a tripod. That's the tripod. Then I've got the wireless charger. Oh, it's a big box. Check it out. It's a big box. It's about as big as my hand. Alright. Rubbish. And the HDMI dongle. I'm not sure what that's for. About to find out. And that's all. So I'll just keep this stuff nice and neat. Alright, so first up, we've got the tripod. Check it out. There it is, right there. What does that say? It fit. Let's focus on that. Okay, it fit. Designed for Samsung. It's a mini tripod. Samsung CMT. What does that say? Okay, not responsible for design, manufacturing, this accessory. Yeah, whatever. It's a selfie stick or a tripod. I'm gonna definitely be using this. Okay, cool. Let's open it up. Alright, so back again with scissors. I want to do this without damaging any of the boxes. I like keeping the boxes. It fit fashion and technology. That's what it says on the top of the box here. Okay. I just scratched the box. Alright. Let's open it nice and neat. Okay, so that's what you see when you open it. Oh, it's got a little handle. Okay, so that can close up again. And there we go, it's got this nice little white plastic packet. And then you got the tripod. This thing's actually really solid. This is metal. This here right there is metal. This is metal. This little thing here feels like metal. So obviously, the feet just... Oh, they've got magnets in them. So they've got magnets to hold them together. That's cool. Okay, so they just open up and you put them flat, I guess, like that. And then there you go, that's how it works. How tall is it, guys? Oh, there you go. Check it out. This thing is definitely awesome for vlogging and recording stuff on the move. I mean, check that out. It's pretty stable too. Look at that. For those long exposure shots, check, you just put the phone in there and slide it in and out. That's quite stable. Oh, you can rotate it too. Ha! That's awesome. Alright. Tripod. Thanks, Samsung. Next up, this thing. Simple PC like. Oh, this is DeX. That's a DeX cable. What? Okay, I know what DeX is. When I said HDMI dongle, I was like, wonder what that is. It's DeX cable. That is awesome. It's a DeX cable. Check that out. Check out packaging. That's to hold the wires together. That's how you know you're buying quality. Right. Clips off. 2 clips. Alright, so basically how this works is you'll plug this end into your smartphone and this end into an HDMI port on a laptop or computer, and your phone will basically become a computer, basically the computer rig. You'll be able to browse your gallery, everything that you do on the phone you will be able to do on your computer directly through the phone. It's a crazy technology. I love it. It's awesome. I didn't think I'd be able to get one of these, and now I've got one. So thank you, Samsung. If you guys want to see a detailed review on DeX, check out the upcoming video. I'll make one. Yeah, subscribe so you don't miss out. Okay, next is wireless charger. They've got little stickers on the side here. Okay, open. And open. Maybe. That's all. Alright, oh, it's so smooth. Check that out. Not so smooth the second time. It's got this like foam inside it. That's cool. Alright, so there's the charger right on top. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Ooh, that feels nice. Okay, got this little rubber bottom on it. Okay, so it's input 5 volts. That's pretty decent. Cool, fast charge. Supports fast charge. There's the cable that comes with it. Okay, so it comes with its own cable. That's quite cool. I didn't know that. Oh wow! And another power brick with fast charge. The same as the one that came with the Note 9. Just gonna keep everything in the box here. Here's the quick start guide. So this you basically just plug into a wall socket, and then this into the fast charger, like that, pretty much like that. That's cool. But I guess you could plug this into something else, like a laptop or a USB hub, like the one that's right next to me. Yeah, not that I would need to, because now I have this, and this has fast charge, so that makes life a lot easier. Thanks, Samsung. That's awesome. That's so cool. So generous of them. So yeah, it was a limited launch gift. That's what I got. That's so cool. I wasn't even expecting that. Yeah, I'm actually stoked right now. I'm gonna try out all my stuff. I'll make a video on this DeX cable. I'll be making a video and a review on DeX. I'll make a review on this, and I will make a review on the tripod. I'll show you guys what you can do with the tripod once I've learned how to use it. So if you guys want to see detailed reviews on everything, check my hair, it's terrible. I've been working all day. you guys want to see detailed reviews, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.